Here you've got TCL 20 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, then tap on More and select Settings. Now click on Block Numbers, and here you can either block all unknown colors by using the switcher, or you can add someone manually, so just provide the number. Here, tap on Block, and that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any call or message from the blocked number. And then if you'd like to remove it from your blacklist, just click on cross icon and tap on Unblock. And this is it. This is how a call blocking looks in TCL 20 Pro 5G. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.